Hello, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my. If it's your first time here, gorgeous. Oh, hello. Welcome back. My name is Chelsea. Keep on watching. Bye. We are not using foundation today. We'll be using just concealer and we're going to contour the face. So that is it for this video. Let's get right into this video. So first thing, I'm going to moisturize my face, and for that I will be using this oil from jojoba oil, and I'll be using this one from Damine pH 7 hydrate and mattifying face I want to say it in French, day cream. So this and I'll be using this one. First of all, we're going to apply this. You need, especially for your face, before you apply foundation, you need something as a base, a cream as a base, a moisturizer or a primer, whatever you want. You can apply on your skin before your foundation. That is very, very important. You apply that on your skin first before applying your foundation. So I'm just going to massage this all over my face. This does the work of balancing oily skin. In case you have oily skin, this oil, these are jojoba oil from Movita. Yeah, it's from seed of jojoba oil. It's very, very good. It balances oily skin. That is why I like it, and I have oily skin. I'm going to apply this one on top. This is the pH 7 hydrate and mattifying are we going to arrive and mattifying primer. Is a day cream, but I use it as primer. You can use any one you have, not necessary this one. Then I'm just going to massage this one and apply that on top. Normally you can wait like a minute for the oil to dry before applying this one on top. Bring it to my neck area. Yeah, I just massage my face with that. So before, like last year, there is this brow that everybody used to do that is well defined, but I find that this year the kind of brow people go for a natural brow, like those Kim Kardashian brows of before. People no longer do that. You just do your brows, make them more natural. So one thing I do, I brush them upward, then I'm going to fill in my brows. Doing that, I'm going to use, I'm looking for my brow pencil. Doing that, I'm going to use the brow pencil from Sephora, chocolate brown. So I'm going to use this one to fill in my brow. I like this brow pencil because it has screwy, you can see it, and it's very, very tiny. So I'm just going to use this to fill in my brows gently. So because we are going for a very, very summer natural makeup today, so I'll just use this to fill in my brows. Let me take a mirror closer. So after filling in my brows, I'm going to take a brush and a concealer, and I'm going to clean my brows. I'll do the same thing to the other side of it. I'm just using a lighter hand for the upper side so that my concealer is not too pronounced. So I'm going to use another brush just to blend that, smooth all that. I'm taking my toothbrush. How does that Right now, because I said I'm not using foundation, so I'm going to use a concealer. Using this concealer from, this one is from what do they call this one again, Maybelline. So I'm just going to apply that, pump that on the areas that I want to highlight, like here. Why I like this concealer is closer to my skin tone, is not too light. I'll put the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin. You guys know I don't color correct. Some people do color correct, but me, I don't color correct. This is what I do now to slim my face. I always bring my contour down to my mouth area. Then I'll contour the bridge of my nose, slim my nose, then my forehead, my jawline area. A brush like this, then I'm going to start from my nose area, like so. Try to blend it to my brows. So after doing this, I'm going to take my brush, my beauty blender, then I'm going to blend my concealer. Just going to dab that. Just make sure I dab the whole of that. Blend it so well. And moreover, my brush, my beauty blender is damp. Then after doing this, then I'm going to move on to the area that I contour. So take me on a trip, now trip. Oh, I flick the switch, kill the lights. Oh, wasted. I'll be using this setting powder from this one is from Focaluri 03. I'll use that to set the areas that I apply concealer. To set my eyelid as well. My forehead. I'll be using this bronzy powder from this one is from BH Cosmetics. Is a Cocoa Cute. So I'll just use this to set my contour. My chin. This will help my face. You guys can see my face because I have this kind of round face. So I always want to like make it a little bit long. If you have a round face like me, you can do the same. So that's what I do. I'm going to contour my nose. So I'll do my nose. I'll bring it to my lid. That was my hobby, guys. Sorry. I'll just use this, bring it to my lid. I like this bronzy powder from BH. I've been using it lately so often. You guys must have seen it all the time, but I use it most often now. So then I'll take another brush and I'm going to use this just to dust the excess powder. want to draw a wing. This is just to protect. It's optional if you like. This is optional. If you like, you can do this. If you like, you can skip this, because I'll be wearing roses. Then I'll be using this blush. These I'm going to add little blush from Focaluri. This one is their liquid blush. I'm just going to use my hand to touch little, warm it. Then this blush, when you apply it, you have to blend immediately, and I like using my hands to dab it, because if you don't blend it immediately, it will look patchy. So you just have to. I think that should apply to all. I don't know if it is all liquid blush, because this blush from Focaluri is the first liquid blush I have used. So I'm going to highlight, and for my highlights I'm going to use this Pudia Diamond Focus, since we are going for a natural glow. So I don't want something that is too shouty, so that's why I'm using it. This is the shade. I'm just going to apply that. You guys can see that you can barely even see it, and it has this kind of orange. I don't know if you guys can even see it. Then I'll add on my cuticle. I'll go back to my brush. Then I'll add mascara to my bottom lash. Then I'm going to set the whole of my face. I'll set my brows. Then for my lips, I'll be using from this lipstick, these ones here from Sephora. So I'm going to pick one color here. Which one will I use? I want to use something like pink. Let's see this color. Okay. Let's use this and see. It's 115. Let's use this and see. Oh, it's kind of pink. You see it? I want to top it with this one. This one is C112. I can't see it very well. Let me top it with that, because I don't like. Okay. I think I prefer this one. So guys, that is it. It's very simple. No foundation for this summer. I think we need something like this, refreshing, not with foundation. With all this heat, foundation will be melting on our face. We need something very simple like this. If you like this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up, and please, before you go, if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that bell icon, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. When you don't believe